Yeah, I. Greetings again, not the mighty name of Imperial Majesty. Emperor Haile Selassie the first. Rastafari. Jackie, you're a freak. Long time Jackie, you're a freak. You know, see, I forgive the crowd, did forgive him. The crowd did believe him about the first rape. What's a Jamaica stay? Not that me I say is a bad thing. In Jamaica, it's quite forgiving, especially when you ask for it. See them song that when him singing in prison behind these prison wall and them thing there. Them thing that make him start get back like a ratings. Cause that like a rape thing there something that they follow them from long time. Them allegation there. I never was the first allegation that. And then even when that same girl there come out and make fair allegation, a whole heap of girl behind that make allegation upon him as well. You know see it's just the one that it succeed certain way. You know see it. Plus Spain town man them tell me say a man from Spanish town tell me say yeah, I true. Jackie already do that. Cause Jackie is a man who get the girl them, bring them come and when him done, do what him a do. The rest of man them run in pan them and do what them a do too. But true enough girl shame and enough girl and a body them come from. Just sweep under the carpet and if Jackie was to this no a true. Him a freak. And if you don't believe, alright. So a Jackie or this. So when Jackie are amongst bad man, Jackie are a bad man. So when them gone, him a singer. See? Only time him a singer are when bad man are there with spot him there. And anytime and him a only bad man when bad man there with him there. Him no know who him is. You know see it? Him like a press button. You know see it? Any musical player that him dance to at the time. See, that a film failure, that a film biggest downfall. You know see, even the other day I hear him say it, and I do a video where I mess with other people's business. I saw them end up outing. You know see, I tell Styler G, say Styler G forgot to take Crown, cause Crown throne dead there away. I must say film throne him a talk about, really and truly, cause I really see now that throne dead where Styler G can challenge. You know see. So him go get himself wind up in that and probably that one of him biggest downfall, you know. You know see, exposure and all of them things. I had the monkey climber the more him exposed because really and truly is a youth now a film attitude. You can see a film attitude larger than who him even is. You know see, from the day when we see him do the video where I tell the sound man say the whole of them for go one with them mama and all of them things. From the day that you realize that the man they out of this world. You know see it with attitude. You know see it. Cause you know you never used to get that out of people like them there. One at a time. You know see it. Sound man and them man they work together hand in hand, highly respect. That's why Selector used to have so much respect and them not the one tune. Yet them have respect seem like the artist them. Almost, you know see, because how the relationship go between the whole of them. But so when we say a man like him come do that, we know say him just a, you know, him just a bossy and a show off. You know see. And the next thing them all say a bad mind me, bad mind. If I saw so. You know see, you don't know the three way we cuss one another as Jamaican. You know see. But man like them, the rest of them, I tell you straight and plain, so them have the weapon of influence, can influence the youth, them, but them nah use it in the direction there, them belly, them a feed. You know, the same video where I tell man for go eat other man food, he might tell you say no response for the man, I feed him belly, him a feed. You know, see, basically the girl them him sing for and that him there for. See man, them a ash it out here now, see? I want to know who I gonna love him, which girl I gonna love him now when them realize him true mentality. Cause him that pan the recording, you know, if a girl for come have sex with him forcefully. You know, see, cause forcefully, I'm gonna rape her alone could have did just look pan a girl and say, hey, you have to give me back my food, or you come give me some. And when she come him ready. No man, no real man can't do that to a girl when I want to do it with them. No real man can't force no girl to do that because you know yourself and your nature that have to be your nature and mentality in order for you manifest any sort of sexual desire. That's so. You know, see it. Anything you seek gratification out of, you're supposed to have a desire for it. You know, see it. And if you can get gratification out of rape, you have a desire for rape and brutality. And if you see a woman being abused and assault and a whimper and a cry over things where them never want. You know, see, because right through that, how kind of man with a lax for them head want to look on girl and all that thing. And see the girl them all text on social media say him want them lick out him ear and all and them thing they like. You know what I say? You know? Now, whether a lie or a true, it's like it add to the story because see the video the video there with the voice pan it and thing like that a chat certain way. You know see it. So it sound like he's a man who love them type of thing there and want the woman them stoop that way there with you. You know see it, cause if you're willing for one of them come downstairs with you come give you some no where them never plan. Them for just come downstairs against them will and just skin out them soul and make you climb up in the height. And you suppose as a Rasta man. So called, you know what I say? He come like say, well then he's a raper for true Rasta. He come like say, you the argument the way I chat on the video, they validate the whole of your past, the sentence, all of the cloud where it surround the allegation in the past now. It's clear. You see, I'm not eat that. I call it like it is, because I don't intend for begging nothing. You know see, I'm not intend for even accept nothing from you, even if you have it a give, because I just see as one of them man the way anything we do for people, you do it for your own personal benefit, your own personal gain. Probably if you get all a man, young daughter, or get a man, wife, you know see it. You buy a man a drink because his girlfriend look good and you want to get she close to you. You know see it. That big birthday thing the way you keep on the island. Right now, enough of the man them will bring them woman come there. You're going to have the woman them number in your phone right now. Giggle about it. And I think say you're the king, you're the best. You can get the most, girl. You know see it. Because, again, it's a like a psychotic, narcissistic mentality. You know see it where you think you have control. You create this level of control around you, yourself, and everybody with them around you. That means that them is at your beck and call, at your whim, and you in the middle like the center pole. You understand? I saw you put yourself amongst mankind. You know see it. You're not credible, man. These are disgrace, man. You know, see, these are rapists for true, man. I'm not take back them tired. I'm not a reason for take back that night. You can't push back that down my throat. No day. Me look down upon you and back sit back down your throat. No disrespect to the audience. You know, see it. But I just saw we deal with the rapists and I have no respect for them. And before them can chat or even try to purport themselves or create no form of defense, we had shut it down. You know, see, mentality like that. That the attitude there. Meaning nobody can tell me nothing. You know see, no man under the sun can just look upon a girl and say, yo, come give me some. And when she even if she, for whatever reason, intimidation, you're there checking for broke hand and them little thing there. You know see, if you don't get back your money and them little thing there. You, that raper man. You know see it. Me glad it come out. You know see it. Because when I like secret raper. Enough girl good I like me I say, enough girl you do that and them keep it quiet to a you named Jack Queer. You know see it. He big idiot thing that. You know see it. Leopard can't hide them spot you know see it. And you don't know I say go. Call a spade a spade. Who still want to keep them bury them head in the sun and act like so well then whatever you can do for them reason why. You know see it. Just another example of how much control the ways of the world over mankind and the mentality. You see, mankind, I rather just know say, him just live with a big, dirty, giant, corrupt secret than, you see, call it out. Shakira is a rapist, man. More blessed. Share, like, and subscribe.